equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and some isopropyl alcohol. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 and unplug it. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws. Keep them in a safe place. Once the cover is off, you'll see the internal components. Use the soft brush to gently remove dust from the fans and vents. This helps improve airflow and cooling. For stubborn dirt, lightly dampen the brush with isopropyl alcohol. Be careful not to use too much liquid. Next, visually inspect the motherboard and other components for any signs of damage or wear. If you notice anything unusual, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. After cleaning, replace the back cover and screw it back in place. Remember, if you need assistance, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. Regular internal cleaning can extend the life of your laptop and keep it running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.